Squad, we will be teaching you how to do a back walkover by yourself. So let's get started. To do this, you will need a mat, a nice big mat, and you will also need a nice flat surface like we have right here, aka fake grass. You don't need fake grass, you can just have a nice flat surface. So let's show you guys. So guys, we're going to show you guys the steps to do the back walkover. The first step on getting your back walkover is a simple bridge. For the second step of being able to do a back walkover, you need to be able to do a back bend with a spotter. So this is how it looks like with a spotter. So I have a spotter right over here. Of course, you know who he is, Liam. He's going to put his hands on my back, and I'm going to, the whole time when I'm going back, I'm going to look at my hands. And I'm going to try to get my hands to the floor. This may take a few times to get, but after some practice, you're going to be able to get it with a spotter. Make sure also that you're not going so much that some point your knees collapse, just pop out. You like need to make sure you're sturdy. Like that. Okay, example. So, Liam, wait. Don't arch too much. Anyways, so this is how it's supposed to look with a spotter. Ta-da! Step is to get your back bend without a spotter, like so. This may take a few times, just warning. So don't give up right away because you can get it no matter what. You can do a back bend. Now you want to try doing a back bend with a little kick. It will look like this. Your legs have to be, one of the legs when you land, always make sure that you land in this posture. One leg bent in front and the other one completely straight. Like this, hands up and look at your hands in the end. So, like this. This may take a couple tries, but do not give up, like I said before. This is the final step, the step that you guys have all been waiting for from the very beginning, the actual back walkover. This is not that different from the back bend like you just did in the step before, but in this one, you need to put your foot in front instead of having your 2 feet the same position or the same place. So this is what it should look like. One leg in front, like Liam is showing right there. One leg kicking over. That was a very bad demonstration. You have to go a little faster, but you can take your time if you want at the beginning, but in the end, it should look like this. And this leg has to go right after you put your back bend. Wait, is that a third leg? Okay, that's it. Okay. See how fast it turned out? You want to make it as fast like that, because if not, it won't really be a back walkover. And if you want, you can give yourself a little challenge by putting your foot higher, like this. Or even higher. I can demonstrate. No, I'll just laugh. Okay, I'll just demonstrate after. Oh my god, okay. I'll do it. I'll do it after. Okay, can I say it? No. There we go. No. It was kind of faily, but it's okay. You get the point. Only you're supposed to look. Oh, good luck. Scary. Okay. I have no balance. Kind of. Anyways, let's move on to the conclusion. Thank you for watching our video. And we hope you enjoyed our video.